Guys, so for today's video, I'm going to, recreate the posting of my friends, or maybe the stranger, or maybe just a friend. But also, I would like to imitate some of my best friends' posts. Wait lang. I think who I'm gonna imitate. Oh, so the post of Jenny is like this, and kay Shane Tipinano. So for Sai, yeah, I saw on your here. I like this.
Ana ramon ko no? Slightly.
Ganino, di mo ko kabalo. Imitator ganino.
Slightly raised eyebrows.
Then si Inday, ay pinainday, ano mo siya? She's a shy type.
Shy type si Mark.
Wait lang.
Si Mark!
Oh, like si Daryl.
Si Dayna. Dool. Hoy, di naman gura na. Ano ba? Ang kilig ni Dayna, ang kilig. Ang tissue. Dali, at ako videographer, sige.
So kanina, when we have lunch, the Jenny and her secret admirer, I don't want to mention it. Okay. So, ganiha di ay, nag-ano sila, kami ko din po, nag-ano sila, nag-box play. Then, syempre, kami as a best friend, kiligon juga kay, syempre, wala mo kayo nga to, wala mga ka-experience naging kanto. So, si Dayna, she asked Mikaela what happened daw, and she was like, ay. Then, nag-explain ni Mikaela, blah, blah, blah. The reaction of Dayna be like this. Watch me like this.
Mali, lagyan na.
Gibuto-buto, ako din yun. Yeah, guys. Tabalugod mo, guys. My head is aching. Kaya kong ulo. Paano ni Oyang? Tambala ni kay Kisari doon. Kisari. Oh, mag-line na po.